So stop on by, you guys. 14108. God. God.
What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. Over here we've got Andy, and he's going to go through the steps or also the products that we have here in the store, because we all know the holiday season's coming up. So first and foremost, we want to say happy holidays and thanks so much for always tuning in, giving us your guys' support. But Andy, take it away and show them what they should be picking up for those detailers in their lives.
Definitely. So I mean, we got a lot of products throughout the way of the store, right? But what makes it easier than just having something that's already pretty much set up? So we got a lot of kits, as you guys can tell, displayed here. That's gonna make it a lot more easier and a lot more appealing, right? Just get away from the actual simple gift cards. Not only that, but if you follow me right over here to this side, we actually have a lot of our gear that's also great and amazing for those special little gifts. We got hats, we got sweaters, we got t-shirts, we got lanyards. So don't forget, you guys, go on into one of your Detail Garage locations, stop on by, ask them about the kits, about the gear that they might have, and then they're gonna go ahead and show you guys some love.
Absolutely. Right? You can also check out these products online at chemicalguys.com. So guys, I know it's a pretty short video, but you guys have tons of stuff to do because it is the holiday season, so get back out there, enjoy your family. But we just want to say, again, thanks so much for always tuning in. I'm super grateful to not only have my own family, but also you guys. I met a lot of cool people from being here, and I know I'm going to continue to meet a lot of great people. So thanks so much for all your support, and continue, guys, keep on watching.
Appreciate you guys.
What's up, family? Ricardo here from the Chemical Guys family. Just wanted to give a thanks to you guys for always viewing, always coming into the store. You know, it's great to have you guys. It's great to meet you guys. So happy holidays. Wish you guys nothing but the best for the next year. Hope you guys keep supporting us and you come back next year. Thank you, guys.
What's up, everybody? Jose here with the Chemical Guys family. Just want to send a huge shout out to all of you guys who have been showing us much love, a lot of support, because I'm grateful to every single one of you, all right? Wishing all of you guys a very happy holidays, and I'll be seeing you guys next year here with the Chemical Guys family.
Happy holidays, guys. I'm Jose from Chemical Guys. I just want to wish you guys a happy holidays. A big thank you from all of us here at Chemical Guys for supporting our brand and tuning in to watch all of our videos. So see you guys in 2020, and have a safe and happy holidays, guys.